The Honey Tree by Deborah J. Beyer. Come with me, said Mother Bee. Come with me to the honey tree. We'll build a cozy, waxy comb, a brand new hive to be our home. Come with me, said Mother Bear. The honey tree is just over there. There's sweet honey for you and me, hidden in this hollow tree. Come with me, Mom said to me. We'll walk out to the honey tree, where in the combs of yellow wax is golden honey for our snacks. We all met at the hollow tree, the bees, the bears, my mom, and me. But someone else had come there too. Her head popped out. Pee-you, pee-you. Who won out? Who won the tree? The bees, the bears, or Mom and me? Oh no, not one of us would stay. The skunk had chased us all away. The end.